Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable enemy outlines in Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. Click on Settings, then Controls, then Gameplay and scroll down until you find Enemy, and now you can set it to all modes, so outlines around enemies will be displayed in all game modes. You can also set it to none, so no outlines will be displayed. BR only, so it's only in Battle Royale modes, or MP only, so the outline around enemies is only in multiplayer mode. I'm gonna set it to all modes, then click here to go back and click anywhere on the screen to exit settings. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.